This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious veg pesto sandwich. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese for a vibrant pesto. Choose a sturdy bread like sourdough or ciabatta. Don't forget your favorite vegetables, such as roasted red peppers, fresh spinach, and thinly sliced tomatoes. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's make that amazing pesto. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Pulse these ingredients together. While the processor is running, slowly drizzle in about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the pesto reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. Finish by seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. With your pesto ready, it's time to assemble our sandwich. Take 2 slices of your chosen bread and spread a generous amount of the homemade pesto on the inside of each slice. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Next, layer your prepared vegetables, like roasted red peppers, spinach, and tomato slices, evenly over one of the pesto-coated bread slices. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top and gently press down. To elevate your sandwich, toast it. You can use a panini press or a lightly oiled pan over medium heat. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the bread is golden brown and crispy, and the filling is nicely warmed through. This step adds a wonderful texture and brings out the flavors. Slice your delicious creation in half and serve immediately. For more great deals, and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.